Okay, having a look at rates. Now, rates are a little bit different to ratio in that we are comparing different quantities, different units. So we do include our units when we do our rates. So for starters, we've got a fairly easy one. We've got 18 students for 2 teachers. We always want for one of something. So since we've got the 2 teachers, we can make that 9 students per teacher. And we use this notation with the diagonal line to say that we've got 9 students per teacher because we've divided both of them by 2. We've got $24 for 4 kilos. So for 1 kilo, we'll divide that by 4. So we're going to get $6 per kilogram. You'll be used to seeing rates when you have been looking at things like speed. So you might see 50 kilometers per hour, and you might have seen that notation. Then we've got a worded one. So Tom, when he was 10 years old, he was 120 centimeters tall. At 20 years old, he's 185 centimeters tall. We want his growth rate between the 10 and 20 years. So in that 10 to 20 years, you've got 10 years have passed. We also can see that he's gone from 120 to 185. So he's grown 65 centimeters in 10 years. Now, when we want a growth rate, we want per year. So we want to divide that by 10, and we'll get 6.5 centimeters per year is his growth rate.